Open data is data that anyone can access, use or share. However, reusing the data is key to demonstrating the benefits of this. With this in mind, we launched a competition challenging entrants to create novel teaching resources for schools with open data. 6 entries were awarded £2,500 to develop a prototype. From these, 2 finalists were selected to develop their prototypes into classroom-ready applications, with funding of £20,000 each. We visited Lagan College in Belfast to let their students test out the 2 teaching resources.
Origin Planet is a platform to allow students to engage with natural disasters by understanding the human impact in their local context. To do that, we lean heavily on open data. It's been a fantastic opportunity to work with the open data team, with CCEA, and in particular a group of developers locally to try and bring forward projects collaboratively like this, doing open source and open data work.
GAFGame is a teaching resource to help A-level students learn about SQL, and it really employs gamification techniques, so a lot of it is about repetition, ease of use, and it tries to engage students by having it contextualised with local open data. I felt that using OpenDataNI in their data sets has really helped contextualise the whole thing and give like a real-life instance of why you would use open data. I'm really excited to see the GAFGame teaching resource being used by A-level students. It's very closely aligns with the software systems development A-level, so I think it can be really beneficial for them.
I think GAF will be an excellent teaching resource. The fact that the students can start off using drag and drop means they'll be able to engage with it very quickly, but as time goes on they can write the SQL directly, which is what they'll have to actually do in their exam. It's better than anything we have used so far as what is currently available, I think.
We spoke with Justin Edwards, who was a member of the panel that selected the winning teaching resources for the Open Data competition.
The 2 challenges, the 2 winning challenges are very diverse but equally interesting. In terms of the GAF challenge and bringing that data into things like software systems design and ICT and encouraging children to code with data really takes young people into the space of being data scientists, and we know that there are plenty of economic and social opportunities with that. The Raging Planet takes us into the space of geography and environmental technology as well. So it encourages learners to explore how data can influence that curriculum area or influence industries in that area. It also encourages learners to problem solve. How do you deal with environmental or disasters within a particular region, and to really understand how their community would react.
The 2 teaching resources were formally unveiled to a 400-strong audience of students at the Education Day of the annual Bell Tech Conference in April.
From the perspective of the Department for Economy, this Open Data Challenge was an opportunity for us to meet an important skills need within the Northern Ireland economy. That is to actually grow the digital sector and to ensure that we have many more data-savvy young people coming out into the workforce. That we were able to also use Northern Ireland open data to actually make those resources relevant and engaging is a nice example of the kind of innovation that we would like to see the public sector embrace far more of. So the challenge also allowed us to engage with individuals and companies to build engaging resources that will both showcase Northern Ireland and hopefully actually be commercial products that we can sell internationally.